In this video, we're diving into the top 5 editing tips to boost your editing speed in Filmora 13. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these tips will help you work more efficiently and create stunning videos in no time. Keyboard shortcuts. Learning and using keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your editing process in Filmora 13. Here's a detailed guide to some of the most essential shortcuts that every editor should know. Let's get started. Ctrl+X removes the selected clip or segment and places it on the clipboard. Ctrl+C copies the selected clip or segment to the clipboard. Ctrl+V pastes the content from the clipboard at the playhead position. Ctrl+Z reverts the last action taken. Ctrl+Y reapplies the last action. Play or pause, spacebar starts or stops playback of your video. Right arrow moves the playhead forward by 1 frame. Left arrow moves the playhead backward by 1 frame. Ctrl and plus zoom in on the timeline. Ctrl and minus zoom out on the timeline. Ctrl+B splits the selected clip at the playhead position. Delete removes the selected clip from the timeline. Shift+Delete removes the selected clip and closes the gap. Copilot. How to research anything. Suppose you need to research on any topic, so you don't need to go to YouTube or any social media. This option is available only in Filmora 13, so let's see how to use it. First, open your Filmora and click on Creator Hub. Then you'll see this interface. Then you have many tutorials for editing in Filmora. After that, you have one more option. Click this button, then you'll see this interface. This will give you the answer of any text. Like I write how to add transitions in videos, and I click on Ask AI. Then you can see this will give me an answer. Auto caption. If you add the captions in your video like this, so it wastes a lot of your time. Today we will learn how to add captions in one click in Filmora. So let's see how to do it. First, select your video and audio file in the timeline. Then right-click on this and click on Speech to Text. Then click on OK. Then captions will be added to your video. Then you can see the final results. Create music with AI. Music is the most powerful to use for your video backgrounds. You have many kinds of music available in Filmora, but today we will learn how to create music as we wish in Filmora 13. Click on this Audio tab and click AI Music. Then click on the Start button. Then you'll see this interface. You can select your music category. I select Happy and click on Normal. Then you have a music duration option available. You can select your music duration in this tab. I select 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then you generate the music count option in this tab. In this feature, you can select the number of results. I select 3. And then click on Start. Then music will created. You can listen to this output. Audio normalization. If you have many clips of audio in Filmora and its sound has gone up or down, so don't worry, you can equalize the audio in just one click. This feature saves you a lot of time, so select your clips. Go to the editing panel at the top right side of the screen. Then click on Auto Normalization. Then your audio will equalize. You can see my audio clip equalizing done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video.